Hey guys, we are on the Carnival Sunshine and we are in an interior room this time. We will see how we like it. It's been a long time since we've been on interior, but we'll give it a try. So Carnival Sunshine, room 5330.
Ready?
Yes. This is in the aft of the ship, which means the back. If you think of aft, it has 3 letters. And there's another word that starts with A that has 3 letters. Not PG-13. Okay, so here is our room. Like we said, it's an interior. So we selected a king-size bed, so it is 2 twins put together. And then of course you have the famous luggage mat. Then you get 2 room towels, not room towels, beach towels, pool towels. Oh my gosh, I'm just okay. And then you get an end table and a side lamp, and then the same goes on the other side. End table, side lamp. The button to turn on and off the lights when you're in bed is right above your bed.
Oh, something interesting. You can have 2.
Oh, this is a room that has bunks.
So you can sleep 4 in here.
Yep. Or 2 individuals.
2 individuals.
So then this room has like a desk setup, which has a couple little drawers. It has the phone. There's our backpack. Has some sconces and then a big mirror. And then over here, Sean, if you want to open the drawers.
Sure.
So we have a TV. We have a safe and we have a mini fridge. Voila! And then up here has the waters that you have to usually pay for unless you're a special tier. Some glass cups and then the room service menu. Here is the first of the closet space. It has lots of drawers and a full-length mirror. Here is another closet with the hangers, and at the bottom is where we put our luggage. And this is the last. It has more hangers, a little shelf at the top, and then your life jackets at the bottom. So then, moving inside the restroom, we have the light switch, and we have the air condition, and then we have the snoozing sign that you put outside your door. So then here's the restroom. If you've been on a cruise ship before, you know that they're very small, and this is no different. So this has your shower. They provide shower gel and shampoo. We always recommend to bring your own if you have a preference. It has a special wand, which is nice with a lot of different features. There is a clothesline. We always love the clothesline to hang up your wet bathing suits or whatever. You have the commode, towels, and then a big mirror. They provide toilet paper, tissues, all that type of stuff. So that's our room. Carnival Sunshine, room 5330. Thanks guys so much for following and liking and subscribing. We really appreciate it. And we hope we will provide great cruise content for you for many years to come. So please like, subscribe, and follow along for our next videos.
Yay!
Yay!
Bye!
Bye! Bye!